Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Acura MDX Infotainment error code TD02. The error reads, "Update is unavailable. Have your vehicle checked by the dealer." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users start up their MDX and are shown this message on the infotainment screen. According to our research, the error likely happens because the system attempted to perform an update, but the process was interrupted or anything similar. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to connect your vehicle to your home Wi-Fi and check for updates manually. Simply park the vehicle within range of your Wi-Fi and connect the infotainment system to the home Wi-Fi, and manually search for updates and see if this helps with the error. If the error still comes, then visit your Acura dealer and ask them to reset the OTA system. In our research, this fix has worked flawlessly for others. So visit your dealer and ask for assistance over the issue. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.